Welcome back to T-Dog Customs, to another video. In this video, what I'm installing is rock lights. We're putting 2 in each wheel well. I've already kind of done the whole process, you could say. If you look here, there's right there and right here. And underneath, don't know if you can see it, one there, one here, and they're pretty bright. So I've done that on both. Got them under here too. And you're not going to be able to see, but I've got them on the rear. And I have the wiring loom for the front in here. I was going to hook them up to a relay, and I probably will at some point, but I'm wanting to use them this weekend for something I'm doing, so I am not going to worry about the relay. I'm just going to wire them into a switch. It should be simple enough. So I think this is the switch I'm going to be using. I'm not sure. I may pick up a different style tomorrow for the rock lights. I probably will, actually, because I don't like this style. Not really what I'm looking for. So all that to say, we've got it all wired in. They're running through here, through the wire loom, around over to this side, and then I've got them tied into this, and then they're running through the firewall and into the Jeep. So on the back, this is the only thing I didn't like. So if you can see, I'm not sure you can, but they're running through the fender tub here. And I'm not a fan of that. Don't like that at all. But I don't see any other option right now. I could run the wires through on the inside and literally run them along the inside of the fender down and do something. Go under the Jeep, go to the engine bay, do whatever. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but that could be an option. But I'm not 100% sure how I'm gonna wire in the rears. I'm not too worried about the holes and stuff, because when this gets painted, I'm probably gonna be welding everything back up. Welding the holes up and then doing the body work, and so I'm not too worried about the holes. The interior is gonna get Line-X'd or Rhino lined, I think. So as far as that goes, I'm not really worried either. Like I said, we've got the wire loom for the front rock lights, and now it's just trying to figure out how to wire in these rear lights and get them up front here. My fuse box is down here, and I already have a fuse location set up for that. So I'll just need to run a power wire from that to the switch, and then put one of these leads to the other end of the switch. And that'll be that. Super simple, super easy. I'm gonna get off here real quick while I think about how I'm gonna wire up this rear lights, and then I will get back to you guys with that. But it's gonna probably be a pretty quick video, but I just wanted to throw this in as give you, if you had any ideas about rock lights wiring, super easy, super simple. And the proper way would be to run to a relay and then run to your switch or whatever. However, I'm only running a couple rock lights On my truck, I'm running like 20 something rock lights, so it's a little different, but on this, it should be pretty straightforward. And then eventually I'll probably put everything, when I redo everything, we'll put it on a relay. So for tonight, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. It's getting very late, but just to the update, I do have all the wires converging right here. So tomorrow, I didn't like this switch setup. It just wasn't the right one. So tomorrow I will pick up a new switch, one that will be much more compact, a single, and I'll be able to kind of hide it. And then we can finish up just tidying up the wires, put some wire loom on everything, and wrap it up. All right, boys, we are back. And I picked up a new switch. This one is actually a switch, not like a toggle kind of where it, the other switch, like you'd push it down and it would automatically spring back. So this is an actual switch. So now we got to map out where we want it to go. Got a couple different options that we can go with, yeah, this part I'm not going to bore you guys with actually wiring it in. It's very simple. 2 spade connectors. One will be from the one wire will come from the fuse panel and go right into here, and then the other lights will all be into this one, and then when you switch it on, obviously all the lights will come on. So very simple that way. I'll go over that once I actually get it all done and everything. But as far as the wiring goes on the lights, like I had mentioned yesterday, all that is done. So let me wrap this up real quick, then I will go over with you guys what we did. All right, so the LED light install is completely done. Look at it. Haha, fooled you guys. The lights are off, but it did turn out really good. Let's go over what we did inside. All right, so this right here is the switch. All the wiring tucked up nice. Can't see it. As far as the wiring in the back, this was the best I could do. So I did decide I need a new fender liner for this rear wheel well. So when I get the new fender liners and when I paint the Jeep, I am going to be putting the LED lights in the fender liner, and then that way I can just run my my wires on the outside and not actually go into the tub of the Jeep. But here we go. Flip the switch on, and she is lit up, guys. So there's 2 LED lights, rock lights, in each wheel well. So you can see it lights it up really nice. I have some leftovers. I could add, some along the sides, but at this point, I'm not sure. Let's kill the lights. So they're pretty bright. I know it's dark and you probably can't see me, but they light it up pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with how that is. Same thing on this side, 2 over here and 2 back here. So that is pretty much it for this video. Pretty simple, pretty easy. You don't need tons of knowledge to do this. Like I said, the hardest part is probably just routing the wires if you're trying to do it clean. That takes the most time, wire, loom, stuff like that. So all that, I think we're all wrapped up. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. And if you don't want to subscribe, then don't. It doesn't matter. But yeah, keep grinding. Peace.